In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find my reservation on booking.com. Booking.com. If you need to check an upcoming stay, confirm your booking details, or download your reservation confirmation, booking.com makes that pretty simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the basic path to finding your reservation from your account, and I'll also mention what to do if it doesn't appear right away. Start by going to the official booking.com website. Once the homepage loads, make sure you're on the main site and give it a moment to fully open. This is where you'll be able to access your account and view any trips connected to it. Next, look for the profile icon, usually located near the top area of the page, and click on it. This will open your account options. If you are not already signed in, booking.com may ask you to log in before you can continue. Be sure to use the same account that you used when making the reservation, because bookings are typically linked to that specific account. After opening your profile menu, click on Bookings and Trips. This is the section where booking.com stores your travel information, including your upcoming stays. Once you're there, you should be able to view your reservation details and review the information associated with your booking. If your reservation appears, you can open it to check important details like the property, check-in, and checkout dates, and other confirmation information. In many cases, this is also where you can access a confirmation document or download a PDF copy for your records, which can be helpful if you want something saved offline before your trip. If you don't immediately see your booking in this section, don't worry. A useful next step is to check your email inbox for the confirmation message that was sent when the reservation was made. It's also a good idea to look in your spam or junk folder, since booking confirmations sometimes end up there by mistake. That email usually includes your reservation details and can help you confirm that the booking was completed successfully. One important tip is to make sure you're signed into the correct booking.com account. If you have more than one email address or accidentally booked while not signed in, that can affect whether the reservation shows up in your account history, and that's how to find your reservation on booking.com. Once you know to go through your profile and then bookings and trips, it becomes much easier to quickly locate your stay information whenever you need it.